What's up, gang gang? Balay ya. Cik bala, what you making, man?
On my bread. I meant on my dampo.
What? On my bread.
On my dampo.
Balay ya, modify on my dumper. Small assistance outside in Taiwan.
Got add a bit of water in it. No. Pretty good.
Hey boy, what you up to?
Got your waru.
Got the waru, eh? Joey, the lion's up there and walking away. Hey,
What
bro.
up? G, what up?
What you been up to this last few days?
Just killing it. Nothing much. So yeah.
Went for a trip out to the bush the other day, yeah?
Yeah.
Couple of piggies,
A couple of pigs. Yeah. 4 of them, eh?
good walk.
Yeah, good walk, good long walk, good exercise. Love it, eh? Get up there. Learn something.
A small advice for young fellas.
Stop drinking. Wow.
Already, Tay?
Yeah.
Most of them done.
Just need more flour.
Why are you going? Okay, gang. This is amai, or kapmari, or the Polynesians they call it hangi. Yeah, so got the peria set up. Probably gonna burn that soon, and then yeah, let the cooking begin.
As you can see, we got Uncle Eli over here cleaning the instincts there.
The one of
Instincts. Instincts.
intestines.
The young fellas, they don't like do the dirty work. It's a bit soft these days. So all the very young fellas have to clean the guts.
Got the veggies here. Inside, mate. Good mix with the pork. Turtle. Damper. I went in the hunting spot. Get one. Get pig like 5 minutes from the youth. Walk another 10 minutes or something. Get another one. Then yeah, me and Uncle Eli went back to the youth. Get the 2 pigs. Got the other boys. Uncle Joey, Dada and Ty. We went on with the walk, continue the walk. Yeah, came back with 2 sounds. Good fun, good burn. Boys went this morning, I stayed home. Wait for the cut up. 2 turtle. Couple of funny chapters there with them boys. Good laugh, eh? You go hunting with the boys. Catch up. All the boys work in the mines, come back together. Always good fun to catch up.
6 in the morning, hopped in the dinghy, me and Bella tea with 5 hunting pity. Heading to the shooting swamp for some piggy with the cruise east coast. Got gun dogs, machetes. 1, 2, load up the bullet. 3, 4, cock it and pull it. 5, 6, popped him in the head. Cause 7, 8, 9, now the burro means dead.
You can see we got some fresh pig here. Bush pig. Nice and fat. Freshly caught day before yesterday. Nice and fat, as you can see there. Good fat on the backbone. Good belly meat. Ready to go in the cutlery. We only eat fresh things up north. That's the only thing I can tell you guys.
Kuksan, yeah.
Hey, look at cooksan, eh?
Couple of samples, eh?
The young one. Coba.
Gotta do a taste test.
Yeah, damai. Gonna put pig and turtle inside here. Some veggies and damper.
Northern Peninsula area.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the
So, Kazi, on your lunch break, read and grade. A quick couple of samples and then crew's gonna back to work.
Uncle Eli is catching up. Couple of wild, couple of fucking pigs, eh?
Shh. Oh, looks like you will have a good dinner tonight, eh? After work.
Should be right. Did you miss this stuff hour? Did you miss these things?
Of course, son. No KFC or sushi can beat this.
No green fat, yellow fat.
Scoot.
No green fat, yellow fat. Oh, people look. Oh, people look. Oh, we can now phone me, fishing there. Hey, can't you make a dumper?
Putting the my dumper, the island bread. The boys are just kneading it. We get a nice, like a shape like a sausage, like a bread loaf, like that one there. Put it in the nice, roll it up in the nice and freely, loose in the alpha. Then it should go in the amai.
Oh. Explain that.
I was wrapping bush pork here. So go in that amai. It's marinated with garlic, ginger, and a bit of salt. To the right, for the natural flavor. Kaputen. Tena.
All the damper here now rolled up, all ready to go in. Almost done.
Lord have mercy. Moonlight, sit down on the veranda. I listen for the music play and small sing to while I on the phone for you. While you tease me, speak us in the wireless, baby. Oh, little did you know I spark one on the other side of the phone. Oh, my dear, oh my baby. Moonlight, sipping red, red wine, yeah. Sweet, sweet love, it's what I'm drinking up, my baby. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh yeah, watch it now.
Let me tell you, me say candlelight, come sit in the moonlight. Drink the wine under the moonlight. Me say thinking about you, girl. Oh no,
Girl, don't you know?
so you're the only one that I call my own. Me say up to stick together like flesh and bone. Watching now when a man love a woman and a woman love a man. God bless the union.
But I take notice. I never touch them beer, blowing mine, yeah. Only this wine, yeah, I drink. Oh my dear, oh my baby. Moonlight, moonlight, sipping red, red wine, yeah. Sweet, sweet love, oh, got me thinking of my baby. Moonlight, moonlight, sipping red, red wine, sipping red, red wine. Sweet, sweet love, oh, it's what I'm drinking.
So gangs, this is the best part of the process. The meat is now cooked. Now getting everything off from the top. Make sure that, we put all the leaves to one side so it's all nice and clean. You always got to keep your cooking place clean. And the boys getting everything out on the mash up to the cutting tables. And then we're going to sort out all the meat, the vegetables, the damper, cut it all up. And then, should be prepped for dinner.
Itu waru. Waru kalau tahu nunggu waru.
Okay, double it up.
Gangs,
Baru ini pakai real bro.
soke mazura.
Ini pakai.
Boys getting it done.
Meat into pieces. We're gonna mix it up and put it in aluminium tray. Even share. Yeah, even like.
I don't want to talk about it, eh? Oh, what do you want me to say, Uncle? Hey?
Oh, like yeah. When you make them.
Fucking. I'll swear with you.
Wow. I can bleep him.
Oh, yeah. We're just chopping up turtle here, turtle. And then, like AJ was saying, we would tray it up. Then give it out to families. Then we might have dinner tonight. Sit down, have a yarn.
Family come together.
Maybe have a cold one, see what happens.
Of course you will. That's an
It's up
alcoholic.
to the big uncle over there in the orange shirt.
It's Friday today.
Uncle Patrick. Not been drinking.
Can I get
If that fella says that we're drinking, then we're drinking. If it doesn't say anything, then we just having fucking soft drink and cordial tonight.
Yeah, you play. And lie and drink every weekend.
Oh, what?
Oh.
Is that fella? Fucking virgin, that fella. I tell you, mate.
Got priority in his life.
Gang. These are now. He give you gout.
One gangs now. This is how we fucking stir it. When it's bulk meat like this, eh? Uncle? Fucking use a noodle saucepan. That always cut across me when
You're gonna soak it and you're gonna eat it. Good protein.
Everything's all sorted now. Just sitting back. Chilling out now. Well, gang. Hope you've enjoyed another episode. Dave Vlogs. Cheers, big ears.
And tell all this is how it is, NPA style tablet money.